The Quran, revealed over 14 centuries ago, contains verses that intriguingly describe the stages of human development in the womb. Surah Al-Mu'minun, verses 12 to 14, outlines a sequence of creation that has fascinated both scholars and scientists. These verses detail the journey from a drop of fluid to a fully formed human, echoing what modern embryology has uncovered. Our exploration will compare these ancient descriptions with contemporary scientific knowledge, highlighting their remarkable parallels. This journey is for anyone curious about where faith and science intersect, offering a unique perspective on the miracle of life. Let's begin by examining the first steps of human creation as described in the Quran. The Quran starts the story of human creation with, "We created man from an extract of clay," referencing Adam's origin. For all generations after, it continues. "Then we placed him as a drop, nutfa, in a secure place." Nutfa refers to the tiny drop of fluid, sperm and ovum, containing the genetic blueprint for life, settling in the mother's womb. The next stage is alaqa, meaning a leech, a suspended thing, or a blood clot, each mirroring the embryo's early form. Around days 7 to 24, the embryo clings to the uterine wall, drawing nourishment, and visually resembles a leech and a blood clot. Modern science confirms this. The embryo implants itself, suspended and dependent, just as described. The Quran's use of alaqa captures this stage's appearance and function with striking accuracy. This transformation from a drop to a clinging, leech-like form marks a critical phase in human development. The Quran encapsulates this complex process in a single, powerful word, centuries before microscopes existed. This sets the stage for the next remarkable transformation. The Quran then describes the embryo as a mudgha, a chewed-like lump. Between days 24 to 42, the embryo develops somites, resembling teeth marks in a chewed substance, just as the Quran describes. These somites form the basis for the spine, ribs, and muscles. Next, the verse states, "We made out of that lump bones," marking the formation of the skeleton. Science confirms that cartilage models of bones appear, then ossify, providing the body's framework. The Quran continues, "We clothed the bones with flesh," describing the development of muscles around the skeleton. This sequence, lump, bones, then flesh, matches the precise order observed in embryology. The Quran's narrative mirrors the biological timeline with astonishing detail. What's most remarkable is the historical context. These verses were revealed in the 7th century, long before modern science. At that time, embryology was based on speculation, with no tools to observe the womb's hidden world. The Quran's detailed, sequential descriptions of development were unknown to the scientific community for over a millennium. For many, this knowledge points to a source beyond human observation, a sign of divine revelation. The verses invite readers to reflect on the connection between the sacred and the scientific. Their accuracy becomes more evident as science advances, reinforcing their timeless relevance. The parallels between Quranic verses and modern embryology reveal a powerful convergence of faith and science. The specific sequential descriptions, nutfa, alaqa, mudgha, bones and flesh, are not vague metaphors, but scientifically sound. This alignment encourages dialogue, showing that faith and reason can complement each other in the search for truth. For believers, these verses affirm the Quran's divine origin. For others, they present a fascinating historical puzzle. The story of human creation, whether read in scripture or science, inspires humility and awe. It reminds us that our beginnings are humble, and our development is a marvel of precision. The convergence of these narratives enriches our understanding and appreciation of life. Ultimately, the creation of a human being stands as a masterpiece, worthy of wonder, reflection, and continued exploration.